In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user in Zendesk. Whether you're managing a team of agents or handling end users, there might come a time when you need to clean up your user list and remove someone from your Zendesk account. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take to ensure this process is smooth and efficient. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Admin Center. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage users, settings, and more. Once you're in the Admin Center, your next step is to locate the People section. This area is the hub for managing users within Zendesk and allows you to make adjustments or updates as needed. Within the People section, you have the option to choose between Team for agents or end users, depending on the type of user you are looking to remove. If you're dealing with a fellow team member, go ahead and click on Team. For other users, select End Users. It's vital to select the right category to ensure you are modifying the correct user list. Once you're in the appropriate section, you can search for the specific user whose access needs to be revoked. This can usually be done through the search function, which is quite intuitive. Just type in the user's name or email address to quickly locate their profile. When you find the correct user, click on their name to open up their profile page. This profile view will provide you with a detailed look at the user's information, settings, and permissions. Next, direct your attention to the upper right part of the screen. There, you'll see a menu represented by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the Options menu. This menu is the gateway to various actions you can take concerning the selected user. Click on it to unveil a drop-down menu with several options. From the list of available actions, choose the one labeled Delete. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of removing the user from Zendesk permanently. It's important to remember that by selecting Delete, you're effectively ending this user's login access to your Zendesk environment. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. This confirmation step is a safeguard to ensure that users aren't accidentally removed without intention. Go ahead and confirm the deletion if you're sure that this is the correct course of action. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a user from your Zendesk account. This action helps in preventing unauthorized access and maintaining the security and integrity of your support ecosystem. Whether you're managing large teams or a single user, knowing how to properly remove users is an essential skill for anyone administrating Zendesk. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next tutorial.